Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to collaborate with team members in Descript. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to collaborate with team members in Descript, all you gotta do is simply go to Descript first. Once you're in your Descript, you need to now simply invite your team members to a specific project or your entire Descript drive or organization, granting them roles like editor or basic, using their email to send an invitation that links to the account for real-time text-based editing and commenting on your shared work. So you can invite them to a specific project, or you can simply invite them to all your drive. You can simply give them text editing, real-time comments, or you can also share your access. You can also simply assign them some specific role, but you need to be remembering one thing, that adding someone to your drive requires a paid editor seat, but inviting them to a single project allows free access for basic collaboration. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.